Hey guys, this is Subhash Mishra, your test coach. Today we will learn about Cypress features. In our last videos, we have already learned about what is Cypress. If you have not watched it, please do watch it. I have explained everything step by step. So my sincere request to watch the complete playlist, then only you will able to understand everything in detail. Okay, so let's start. So Cypress provides multiple features which makes the life of an automation tester very easy. The very first thing is time travel. It takes snapshots of the application when the tests are running. You can hover over each command in the test runner panel to see what happened at each step. If I'll show you with an example, you can go to cypress.io website. Let me show you that. So if you come here cypress.io and then here you have the features. Okay. So here you see the command log and here each commands. Okay, and when you are hover over on these commands, you will see corresponding screenshots here. Okay, so this will help you in review and debug of your test. Okay, so we'll move to the next one. Next one is debuggability. So we have advanced feature of debugging the test in Cypress. You can see the state of your application before and after command execution. It provides readable errors and complete stack traces that makes debugging easy and fast. It can also enables debugging of the test directly from the familiar tools like developer tools. Okay, so that's why debugging is easy in Cypress. Okay, now we'll move to the next step, that is automatic waiting. So with Cypress, there is no need to put explicit waits or sleeps to your test. Okay, so it automatically waits for the command and assertions before proceeding. So in case still you want to add some custom wait, you can do that, but Cypress will wait for the commands and assertions. You don't have to put explicit wait or sleep how you put it in Selenium and all, right? So that is advantage of Cypress. Okay, now we'll move to the next one, that is consistent results. So we have consistent results with Cypress as it interacts with browser and application directly. So Cypress doesn't use Selenium or WebDriver and execute tests directly in the browser. So it is very fast, consistent and reliable automation tool. You will not find any flag tests. So the results will be, most of the time it will be consistent. Okay, so that is again one more good feature about Cypress. Okay, now we'll move to the next one, that is screenshots and videos. It takes screenshots automatically on failure or record videos of your entire test suite when running from the command line also. Okay, now we'll move to the next one, that is cross browser testing. So if you are running Cypress test from your local system and you have all browser set up, you can do cross browser testing from your local system, and if required you can use remote system or cloud services for cross browser testing. Also it can be easily integrated with continuous integration, delivery and deployment process. Okay, so CI/CD integration is also easy here. Then we'll move to the next one, that is spies, stuffs and clocks. Similar to unit test cases, you can verify and control the behavior of functions, server responses or timers at runtime using the spies and stops provided by Cypress. So what is stop? A stop refers to a way of modifying a function and delegating controls over its behavior to you. So this is commonly used in a unit test. However, it is still useful in integration and end-to-end test. A spy will give you the ability to spy on a function by permitting you to capture and assert that function was called within the right arguments, or you want to assert that function what's called a certain number of times, or you even want to assert what the return values was or the context the function was called with. One more thing is, there are also situations when it is very useful to control the date and time of your application in order to override its behavior or to avoid slow test. With cy.clock function, you will able to control date, you can set timeout, you can set interval. Okay, so that is again one more good thing about Cypress. Okay, the next thing is network traffic control. Using Cypress, you can stop network traffic as you like and customize the response of your API calls as per your need. Okay, so that's all about your network traffic control. So these all are the major features of Cypress. Okay, one more important thing is, using Cypress you can create all different types of tests like unit test, integration test, end-to-end test. Okay, so Cypress can test anything that runs in a browser. So that is the major advantage of Cypress. Okay, it can run anything, it can test anything that runs in a browser, and you can do unit testing, you can do integration testing, you can do end-to-end testing. Okay, so that's all for today. In our next video, we'll see how to install Cypress and we'll start writing our test. Okay, so hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to explain it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.